Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty, bringing you insights you can trust. Have you ever felt like your hair has been through the ringer from constant heat styling or environmental stress? Today, we're exploring a product that promises to tackle damage and provide that instant fix your hair desperately needs: the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This leave-in treatment offers a blend of detangling, heat protection, and visible repair, all in one product. Let's see if it lives up to its claims. Aveda's Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair comes in a sleek 3.4 phthalates tube, designed to restore and protect your hair with just a small amount. Its formula is 98% naturally derived, a key feature for anyone looking for more eco-conscious beauty solutions. The main selling points are its ability to detangle, provide heat protection, and repair damage instantly. The product is suitable for all hair types and has a refreshing citrus and mint scent that adds a light, invigorating aroma to your hair care routine. When I first tried this product, I was curious about its claim to provide instant, visible repair to damaged hair. Upon applying the cream to damp hair, it absorbed quickly and didn't leave any greasy residue, always a plus. The texture is smooth and creamy, making it easy to distribute through your strands. As someone with naturally wavy hair that tends to tangle, I was impressed with how quickly the product detangled my hair without any pulling or breakage. During my real-world testing, I used the Aveda Damage Remedy daily for a week, applying it before heat styling. I tend to blow dry and occasionally flat iron my hair, so I was particularly interested in its heat protection capabilities. After styling, my hair felt noticeably smoother, shinier, and less frizzy compared to when I skip a leave-in treatment. It also didn't feel weighed down, which I've experienced with some other leave-ins that promise hydration but leave my hair feeling limp. There are, of course, a few areas for improvement. While it definitely helped with detangling and provided light repair, I didn't see a dramatic change in the long-term health of my hair after just a week. If you're dealing with heavily damaged hair, you might need to layer this product with other restorative treatments for more substantial results. So, let's break it down with the pros and cons. On the plus side, this product has a fantastic lightweight texture that doesn't weigh hair down. It detangles quickly and efficiently, and the citrus mint scent is a nice touch without being overpowering. Its heat protection is solid, making it a great addition to your daily styling routine. The con? If you have very damaged hair, you might not see drastic, long-lasting repair after just a few uses. It's more of a daily detangler and protector than a deep restorative treatment. Now, how does it stack up in terms of value for money? At around $30 for 3.4 phthalates, it's on the higher end of the price spectrum for leave-in treatments. But considering it's Aveda, a brand known for its high-quality, naturally derived ingredients, this price tag feels justified for those who are seeking a cruelty-free, environmentally conscious option that performs well for daily use. It's an investment, but it's one that's likely to pay off for those who need heat protection and detangling without the heavy feel. When comparing it to other products, Aveda's Damage Remedy stands out for its focus on naturally derived ingredients, which sets it apart from many other brands that rely heavily on synthetic compounds. However, if you're looking for a product that repairs extremely damaged hair, you might find something with more targeted restorative ingredients at a lower price point. Brands like Olaplex and Redken have more specialized treatments, though they may not provide the same light daily use feel that Aveda offers. The build quality of the packaging is sturdy and compact, making it easy to take on the go. Plus, the 3.4 phthalate size is just enough for a couple of months of daily use without running out too quickly. The product's shelf life is typical for most leave-in conditioners, and it doesn't have any ingredients that would make it prone to rapid degradation. Now, Aveda's customer service has always been reliable in my experience. They're responsive, and their brand reputation for quality is backed by their attention to ingredient sourcing and sustainability. Although I didn't need to contact them for this product, Aveda generally offers great support if needed. If you're looking for a similar but more affordable alternative, products like the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco leave-in treatment could provide a similar detangling and heat protecting effect. albeit with a slightly different scent and formulation. However, for those who value natural ingredients and a brand with a strong environmental ethos, Aveda remains a standout. To sum up, the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair is an excellent choice for those who want a lightweight, daily leave-in treatment that helps with detangling and offers heat protection. If you're dealing with minor damage or just looking to prevent future harm, this product delivers on its promises. For those with more significant damage, you may need a more intensive repair treatment in your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.